Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my gosh, I just fumbled that. Anyway, today I have an everyday makeup look for my girls with darker skin tone. I know I'm not the darkest shade out here, but I am brown still, so yeah, I got an everyday makeup tutorial. As you can see, I look like I'm casket ready, but we about to change that around. Should start by getting a scrunchie because ain't nothing more annoying than when you watching somebody and they're just like, yeah guys, I'm here, blah, 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 blah. So give me a second and we're back. So yeah, this is not gonna be a voiceover today because I feel like everybody's tired of voiceovers. Low key, it's me. I'm everybody. I'll be using in this video is a majority drugstore, I think, except for my eyebrows. Let's just get right into the tutorial. All right, so I'm gonna start by applying my Baby Pores primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna comb through my brows before I begin to do them.
You son of a bitch.
Alright, now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate. And I'm going to begin filling in my brows. So now I'm gonna get the concealer to clean it up. I'm gonna use Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer, but I use it for concealer. Now the key to doing good makeup, I would say, is not being too heavy-handed and just go with the flow. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm blending my concealer out.
Dylan, you son of a bitch.
And now I'm taking my brow gel to basically finish up the eyebrow look. And now I'm going to be starting with my foundation routine. And I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay. And I recently bought a new one, so I changed my shade just by a little bit. It's a 340 and I'm usually 350 coconut. It's fall time now, so my color is changing. I'm gonna take a foundation brush and spread the foundation all over my face. Now, if you're wearing a wig like your girl, make sure you put some foundation into your wig so it could blend. I'm gonna take my super fluffy beauty blender and I'm gonna blend all of this out. I look crazy, but it's gonna come together, watch. At this part, this is the point where you start to take your time with your blending. Do not rush this process because this determines whether or not you're gonna snap.
son of a bitch.
Okay, so now once you got that all blended into your skin, it's time for the concealer to make a comeback. Now I'm taking my Super Stay Concealer and I'm going to my under eye area because I have deep set eyes. And some days I have bags. And this just makes them go away. Concealer beauty. Then you take a concealer beauty blend. Then you take your concealer beauty blender and you start to blend under your eye.
Son of a bitch.
Alright, and then this is what you should have. Now I'm taking my Airspun and I'm putting that on my under eye and my smile lines to set my foundation and concealer. And as you can see, my bags are like, where? Bag lady, where? This is the part where you take a powder and you put that all in the areas that you put your white powder. Now I find for the best results, you dab it in rather than swipe and then dab and swipe it and dab. You dab it in and then you lightly swipe. So yeah. And now it's time for the best part. You guessed right. Blush and highlights. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my highlighter brush. And the highlighter brush looks just like this. Like a teardrop kind of, but not really. And since I want this to mostly be like drugstore based, I'm gonna take Black Radiance in Beautiful. I'm gonna put that on my nose, my cheeks. And like I said earlier, it's best to be very light-handed with everything. Because if you shove it into your face, you're gonna look so harsh. Right now I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Fard Au Jour. And I'm just putting that on my blush brush. And this doesn't do too much. You do not want to look flushed out. So just dab it on there and then you use the tip of it to blend it in. And make sure you do it with a smile. Alright. Now this is what I was talking about looking too much. So what I like to do is take the tip of the brush and then blend it into my skin. And now I look a lot better than I was before. Take any pair of lashes that you have. Now I have these lashes that I've been using and they're already kind of sort of already used, as you can see. I stuck them together. But they're so pretty. Now you're gonna take your lash glue and apply them. I'm using the Dubo lash glue to brush on. It goes on white. And then when it turns to a dark blue color, that's when you're ready to apply them. But my friend taught me this technique where you set a timer for 30 seconds and you blow on them. But once you get the hang of lashes, you know when it's time, when it's not. I would say when applying lashes, make sure you focus on that outer corner and the inner corner, because then out of nowhere, it'll just mess up your day by hanging off just a little. Grab your mirror, make sure you're looking down. Now, as you can see, there's some blue still, but once that dries up, it will dry clear. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Yeah, and now you got your lashes on. Now you're just missing your lips. Now you're gonna grab a tissue and wipe off all the foundation on you. Now the lip combo I'm gonna use is mostly NYX based, so get yourself ready. I'm taking a lip liner, but it's an espresso, and I'm gonna start applying that to my lip.
Dylan! You son of a bitch.
I'm taking my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap. Now as a top gloss, I'm taking a hydrating oil treatment. You can get this at the beauty supply store. It's one of the $1 ones, so yeah, you could snap on a budget. Then you rub everything together. And you remember what I said about the lashes lifting? Look at me. I'm a mess, but I'm not going anywhere. So y'all get the general idea. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is my final look for an everyday makeup tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you later. Bye bye.